Track 117. A.
Car,
B.
taxi,
C.
train,
D.
bike,
E.
tram,
F.
bus,
G.
plane,
H.
underground,
I.
boat,
J.
coach.
Track 118.
Getting around London. The first thing you need when you get there is a contactless card. You can use the card to pay for journeys on buses, boats, and the Underground in London. Everyone knows the London Underground or Tube. You never need to walk very far because there are 11 lines and over 200 Underground stations. Get a tube map and plan your journey. Travel on a red double-decker London bus. They're great because they have 2 floors and you can see famous buildings from the top floor. You can travel by boat too. There are 5 short journeys on the River Thames. Some people want to get on a tram. They can go to South London. They are modern, fast, and very quiet, and carry a lot of people around that part of London. It's possible to drive your car in London, but it's very easy to use public transport. There are other ways to travel around London. You can get a taxi on the street. Drivers know every part of London, but this transport can be expensive. People with more time can rent a bike. It's healthy, and there are places to ride with no cars. A great one is by the side of the River Thames, and lots of people go there. Do you want to travel outside London? Then get a coach or a train or a plane. Information centres can tell you which station or airport is best for you.
Track 119.
Film, London, museum, musician, plane, station, train, tram.
Track 120. Conversation 1.
Hello?
Hi, Ali. It's Anya.
Hi, Anya. How are you?
Fine, thanks. And you?
Yeah, I'm great.
Shall we meet on Saturday afternoon? I'd like to go to the cinema.
Oh, yes. There's a new film on. I'd like to see it.
Great. The film starts at 2:45. Shall we meet inside the cinema at 2:15?
My bus arrives at 2:20. Is 2:30 okay?
Fine. See you then. Bye, Ali.
Bye.
Conversation 2.
Hello?
Hi, Poppy. It's Anya.
Oh, hi, Anya. How are you?
I'm fine, thanks. Are you better?
Yes, thanks.
Let's go swimming on Saturday.
Oh, sorry. I can't go on Saturday. But Sunday morning's okay.
That's okay for me too.
Shall we meet at the swimming pool?
Yes, that's a good idea. At 9:45?
That's fine. See you then. Bye, Anya.
Bye, Poppy.
Conversation 3.
Hello?
Hi, Alex. It's Anya.
Anya! How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
Great!
Can you come into town this weekend to meet me?
I can come on Sunday afternoon. Is that okay?
Great. Shall we meet at the shopping centre?
It's closed on Sunday, and I haven't got any money. I know. Let's visit the Science Museum. It's free.
Great idea. Let's meet at the museum at 3:00. Inside or outside?
Outside. See you then. Bye, Anya.
Bye.
Conversation 4.
Hello?
Hi, Clara.
Hi, Anya. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good too.
Shall we do something this weekend?
I'd love to. Have you got any ideas?
Well, there's a concert in the town centre on Saturday evening.
Wow, great. Are there any good bands?
Yes, I think so. Shall we meet at the new juice bar at 6?
6:15 is better for me.
OK. See you then. Bye, Clara.
Bye.
Track 121.
Go running. Go swimming. Go shopping. Go out with friends. Go to a museum. Go to the park. Go to a restaurant. Go to a film. Meet at 8:00. Meet a famous person. Meet friends. Meet in the afternoon. See a famous person. See friends. See a film. Visit a museum. Visit friends.
Track 122.
I'm Karen. I'm from Canada. My favorite museum in Canada is the Hockey Hall of Fame. It's a museum about ice hockey. Ice hockey is Canada's national winter sport. The museum is in Toronto. I really like this museum because I love sport. My favorite thing is shootout. You play ice hockey with a famous hockey player. It isn't a real person. It's the size of an adult, and it's on a computer. It's cool.
I'm James. I'm from Australia. My favourite museum in Australia is Questacon. It's a museum about science and technology. Questacon is in Canberra, the capital city of Australia. I like this museum because I love science. You can do experiments. But my favourite activity is robot hockey. You can play air hockey. You play against a robot. It's awesome. I'm Matt, and I'm from the USA. My favorite museum in the USA is MoMA, Museum of Modern Art. That's right. It's a museum of art, and it's in New York, the biggest city in the USA. I like this museum because I love modern art. My favorite activity is the art passport. You draw pictures and answer questions when you visit the museum. It's great.
Track 123.
Hello. My name's Beth, and I live in a city called Cambridge. But my favourite museum isn't in Cambridge. It's in London, the capital city of England. The Natural History Museum is a museum all about the natural world. It explains things about plants and animals. It's a beautiful museum. The outside of the museum is also about the natural world. You can see animals and plants on the walls. I really like this museum because I love animals and I like learning about animals. Some of the animals in the Natural History Museum are extinct. Extinct means there are no more of these animals alive in the world. For example, there are no dinosaurs anywhere in the world now. My favourite activity at the Natural History Museum is the dinosaur trail. You walk around and you get to see life-size dinosaurs. They're only models, of course, but they move and they roar. And do you know what? You don't have to pay money to go to the Natural History Museum. That's right, it's free. Anyone can visit. Isn't that great? Now, has anyone got any questions?